Introduction. Artificial intelligence is a field of study in science and technology which focuses on intelligence demonstrated by machines, as opposed to the natural intelligence of humans and animals. Artificial intelligence, AI, focuses on the use of intelligent agents, which refers to any system that perceives its environment and takes actions that increase its chance of achieving its goals. AI applications include advanced web search engines, example, Google, recommendation systems, used by YouTube, Amazon, and Netflix, understanding human speech, such as Siri and Alexa, self-driving cars, example, Tesla, automated decision-making, and competing at the highest level in strategic game systems, such as chess and Go. As machines become increasingly capable, tasks considered to require intelligence are often removed from the definition of AI, a phenomenon known as the AI effect. Early researches. By the 1950s, two visions for how to achieve machine intelligence emerged. One vision, known as symbolic AI or GoFi, was to use computers to create a symbolic representation of the world and systems that could reason about the world. Proponents included Alan Newell, Herbert A. Simon, and Marvin Minsky. Closely associated with this approach was the exploratory search approach, which associated intelligence with the problem of exploring a space of possibilities for answers. The second vision, known as the connectionist approach, sought to achieve intelligence through learning. Proponents of this approach, most prominently Frank Rosenblatt, sought to connect perceptron. In machine learning, the perceptron, or McCulloch-Pitts neuron, is an algorithm for supervised learning of binary classifiers. In ways inspired by connections of neurons. Goals for the development of AI. The general problem of simulating intelligence has been broken down into subproblems. These consist of particular capabilities that researchers expect an intelligent system to display. The traits below have received the most attention: reasoning, problem solving, knowledge representation, planning, learning, natural language processing, perception, motion and manipulation, social intelligence, general intelligence. Tools that are to be considered in the functions of AI. 1. Search and optimization. 2. Logic. 3. Probabilistic method for uncertain reasoning. 4. Classifiers and statistical learning. 5. Artificial neural networks. 6. Deep learning. 7. Specialized languages and hardware. 8. Legal aspects. Advantages of AI on everyday life. 1. Increased efficiency. One of the greatest advantages of AI systems is that they enable humans to be more efficient. AI can be leveraged to perform small, repetitive tasks faster, or it can be used to complete much larger, more complex tasks. Regardless of their application, AI systems are unbound by human limitations and will never get tired. 2. Improved workflows. While AI is frequently leveraged to automate entire tasks, it also has many practical applications for improving human workflows. Deep learning technologies like natural language processing, NLP, and automated speech recognition, ASR, have transformed the way people work in professions like education, media and entertainment, and law enforcement. By converting the spoken word to text, ASR technology can automatically produce transcripts of any audio and video. 3. Lower human error rates. As we've already mentioned, AI systems don't have to deal with fatigue. Humans, on the other hand, get tired. The human brain can only focus on one task for so long before that focus starts to slip. When people get tired, they are more likely to make poor decisions and become vulnerable to mistakes. Repetitive jobs can be particularly prone to human error. When a task is repetitive, it's easier for humans to lose concentration. But AI systems don't have to focus, they are programmed for their function. And for those assigned tasks, AI systems eliminate the risk of human error, producing a more accurate result. 4. Deeper data analysis. While manual data analysis is a time-consuming enterprise, AI systems can process and analyze massive amounts of data at remarkable speed. AI systems can quickly find relevant information, identify trends, make decisions, and offer recommendations based on your historical data. For instance, algorithms can quickly analyze the effectiveness of marketing materials, identify customer preferences, and offer actionable insights based on those customer behaviors. 5. More informed decision-making. This bandwidth for deeper data analysis allows business leaders to make better, more informed decisions to benefit their operations. Take classification models, for instance. These machine learning algorithms attempt to draw a conclusion based on historical training data. After processing that training data, the model will then categorize, or label, new data. Disadvantages of AI in our everyday life. 1. High costs. The ability to create a machine that can simulate human intelligence is no small feat. It requires plenty of time and resources and can cost a huge deal of money. AI also needs to operate on the latest hardware and software to stay updated and meet the latest requirements, thus making it quite costly. 2. No creativity. A big disadvantage of AI is that it cannot learn to think outside the box. AI is capable of learning over time with pre-fed data and past experiences, but cannot be creative in its approach. A classic example is the bot Quill, who can write Forbes earning reports. These reports only contain data and facts already provided to the bot. Although it is impressive that a bot can write an article on its own, it lacks the human touch present in other Forbes articles. 3. Unemployment. One application of artificial intelligence is a robot, which is displacing occupations and increasing unemployment, in a few cases. Therefore, some claim that there is always a chance of unemployment as a result of chatbots and robots replacing humans. For instance, robots are frequently utilized to replace human resources in manufacturing businesses in some more technologically advanced nations like Japan. This is not always the case, though, as it creates additional opportunities for humans to work while also replacing humans in order to increase efficiency. 4. Make humans lazy. AI applications automate the majority of tedious and repetitive tasks. Since we do not have to memorize things or solve puzzles to get the job done, we tend to use our brains less and less. This addiction to AI can cause problems to future generations. 5. No ethics. Ethics and morality are important human features that can be difficult to incorporate into an AI. The rapid progress of AI has raised a number of concerns that one day AI will grow uncontrollably and eventually wipe out humanity. This moment is referred to as the AI singularity. Summary. AI is termed as the field of study which focuses on intelligence demonstrated by machines. The goals for its development are reasoning, problem solving, knowledge representation, planning, learning, natural language processing, perception, motion and manipulation. Social intelligence. The tools involved in the functions of an AI machine. 1. Search and optimization. 2. Logic. 3. Probabilistic method for uncertain reasoning. 4. Classifiers and statistical learning. 5. Artificial neural networks. 6. Deep learning. 7. Specialized languages and hardware. 8. Legal aspects. It has advantages and disadvantages on our world. Thank you and have a good day. Gabriel Egberfoam.